Hello everyone, welcome to IICS tutorial series. Today we are going to see on that IICS Core Platform Services and IICS Architecture. Here I have designed IICS Core Platform Services. First, the IICS Integration Service. IICS provide the real-time integration service as well as the bulk integration service. We know that we are working with the different sectors and combine the data, that is integrating the data and after that deployed into the real-time process and services. Next it is the connectors and the connectors SDKs. With help of the connectors we can connect different external sources. Okay, and with help of this connector SDK we can create the custom creations. Okay, custom connections we can create it. This outer and all it is core services. Okay, first we see on the data synchronizations. That is the data it is synchronizing between the more devices and we can get the data up to date data, we can get it with more efficient. Second it is the data replications. Okay, so that is it is copying the data from the one location to the other location. It is copying the data based on we can get the data up to date data we can get it. With help of the data replications, okay, when we are working in that organization, if anything it's goes wrong, we can solve this one with help of data replication. Third one, it is data process automations. Okay, that automating the process by itself in IICS. Fourth one, it is test data management. Okay, so it is exposing and secure the sensitive data in sandbox environment. Okay, this sandbox environment it's like that virtual environments or the working directories, or we can say like that it is like the deployment server. Okay, in this environment whatever we are running the code, it always be secured one. And fifth one, it is a cloud data qualities. Okay, in the name in sense only data qualities. So we can get the data always be cleansed and standardized and deduplicate data we can get it. And sixth one, it is cloud integrations hub. That is cloud integrations, we can connect different cloud applications. Okay, at last is cloud B2B. Okay, if I want to access these all the core services, we can access. Okay, if I am a technical user, I can use a visual design. If I am a business user, I can use a self-service wizard one. Okay, and when we see this one, that is administrations and security, here IICS provides seamless connectivity, that is continuous process it is providing, and also all the data sets are exposed in that REST APIs. Okay, and this next it is custom solution. Informatica partner, they are providing the custom solution, and when we see that OEM embedded solution, the IICS provider this one, and for global services, global user services. Okay, next we will see on that IICS architecture. Here I have designed that IICS Cloud Architecture. Okay, as a user want to access Informatica Cloud, they need one web browser. With help of the web browser, they can access the Informatica Cloud. In the diagram itself, you can get to know that Informatica Cloud is having the multi-tenant repositories. Okay, in this repositories only the metadata and all it is getting stored. Okay, and the services can read the metadata from repositories and interact with the front end. Now I am telling how the data it is actually working in the IICS data integration. Just imagine, based on that you can get clear idea the IICS Cloud Architecture. Okay, now we are working in that data integration. That time we are creating the mapping. Okay, in this we have taken our source and target. with help of the connections, and also we get the object based on our business logic. We are given the transformations also, that is we are applied the transformations. Okay, there is no error it is presented. Just imagine there is no error it is present. So the mapping it is going to the valid state. Okay, once you have saved the mapping it is going to the valid state. Just imagine. Okay, once the mapping it is going to the valid state after saving the mapping. Okay, the metadatas and all it will get stored into Informatica Cloud, that is repository it will get to store. Okay, once the mapping it is saved, the all the metadata in the sense table name, field name and data type, precision, everything it will get saved in the repository only. Okay, before saving the mapping, we are getting the connections and we are taking the object in on premises or via secure agent only. But once the mapping it is getting saved, the data will be saved in the Informatica repository only. Okay, after that we trigger our mapping, we start to run our mapping. That time that Informatica Cloud, okay, the metadata it is extracting, then we can get the result set. Then after that the secure agent it will be sent back to the statistic to the Informatica Cloud only. From this Informatica Cloud only we are getting the result set to the monitor page. Okay, this way the IICS is working. Okay, it is really little bit confusing, but once you started to working, you can know the clear mind idea set, how we are working in IICS and where we are given the connections and how the Informatica it is working on. Everything you can get to know that. Okay, so today we are discussed on that IICS Core Platform Services and IICS Architecture. Okay, thank you for watching. We will see you on that next IICS tutorial series. Thank you so much.